Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you the automatic subtitles effect. So first of all, you need a part on which you want to apply this effect, so I choose this part right here. To start selecting your part, just go to your first frame and press I on your keyboard. And then go to your last frame of your clip and press O for out. So this is our area for which the subtitles will be created. Now go to timeline. Make sure you are in the version DaVinci Resolve Studio 19 and left click the Create Subtitles from Audio option. Now this little window popped up, so you can select your language, which will be English in my case. Also you can change your caption preset, so I changed this always to Netflix. You can adjust your maximum characters per line, but you can adjust this later. You can choose how many lines you want and you can change the gap between subtitles. Then simply click on this Create button, and I recommend that you just select all of your subtitles, then go to Track, and now you can change the color, the font, the size, the position. So I will change all my subtitles to yellow. I will change my font, and I change the position, as well as the size. Now if you want, you can scroll down a little bit and you can activate the background option. So as you can see, now we got a black background, and you can change the corner. So I increase the corner radius a little bit, and I don't like the position, so I change it by pressing this override sizing option. I increase the height and I decrease the width. And now I can change the center X and center Y values. Alright, now again I scroll a little bit down and I untick this box. And as you can see right here, you can change the max line length to your liking. And lastly, to clear your in and out points, just press Alt and X at the same time, and now your in and out is deleted. After that, go into the export page and scroll down right here to subtitle settings. Tick this little box right here to export your subtitles and change the format to burn into video. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope this video has helped you. If so, then leave a like or sub to my channel. Go watch one of these two videos to learn more about DaVinci Resolve. And thanks for your support, stay creative and bye.